needle won't work. Dang it, this needle won't work. What? What are you doing? Why are you wasting your time with hand stitching? Why are you running in slow motion? That's not important. What is important is that you should be using this sewing machine. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Okay, wait. This is getting boring. Can you get to the point, please? I'm going. This story is slow. You're very impatient for someone who hand stitches. Basically, the idea of the pointed end of the eye on the needle came to Elias Howe when he had a dream about a king that would kill him if he didn't make the sewing machine, which,
Okay,
I mean,
Elias,
sucks.
yeah. So, we kind of need you to make that sewing machine, or you could die. Well, I mean, that's good. I've been working on it. I'm actually almost... Oh, and it has to, have a pointed eye on the needle. Oh. So, yeah. That was a scary dream.
That's cool, I guess. But wait, there's more!
I'm going to be honest with you. You're here for one reason, and one reason only. You're all okay seamstresses, but my sewing machine is better than all of you. You're welcome. I just can't go as fast as this sewing machine.
I just can't go as fast as this sewing machine. I just can't go as fast as this sewing machine. I just can't go as fast as this sewing machine. I just can't go as fast as this sewing machine.
Why are you telling me all of this? How does this even matter? The sewing machine affected everything, from businesses to families. In businesses you could mass produce clothing, which made the textile industry grow huger. And for families, you could make your own clothes at home, and it was a lot easier, and women could focus on things that are more important other than sewing clothes. And also, it helped other industries too, like the thread industry and the metal industry. With the sewing machine growing so much in popularity, other people had a high demand for things to make the sewing machine.
Elias Howe's invention led to things such as the modern electric sewing machine.
Huh, thanks. Maybe I really should switch to the sewing machine. So what you're saying is that the sewing machine, the invention of the sewing machine, I forgot what I say. Oh, that's really weird. Less to have your clothes because you could just sew them at home. That's not right. Now you can mass produce clothes. I need to restart. Which meant that the textile factory. It also helped other wait, that's probably. The sewing machine